Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook. Welcome back to the second episode of Tea Time with Nami. If you missed the first episode where I share 5 kitchen tools that are often used in Japanese kitchen, I put the link up here and down here. Today I'm sharing the correct way to measure the flour using a measuring cup, and I'll show you one common mistake and how we can avoid it. Now let's head over to my kitchen. Baking is a science. Too much or too little flour can totally alter a recipe. For example, measuring 1 cup of flour can be deceiving. Let me show you what I mean. The weight is 145 grams or 5.1 ounce. Let me show you again. Just like my first time, I'm scooping 1 cup of flour and leveling the top. On my second try, it's 141 grams or 5 ounce. A cup of all-purpose flour weighs between 120 and 125 grams or between 4¼ ounce and 4�3/8 ounce. If you use the measuring cup to scoop, it will compact the flour and make it more dense. So the correct way to get 1 cup of flour is to fluff up the flour first, scoop it with a spoon, and gently sprinkle into the measuring cup until heaping. Then level with the flat side of a knife. Now a cup weighs 120 grams or 4¼ ounce, much less than my first 2 times. Now let's try again. This time is 125 grams or 4�3/8 ounce. So remember 3 steps: fluff, spoon into the measuring cup, and level. I hope today's tip was helpful, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Japanese recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next Tea Time with Nami. またね!